How to get a Cloudways free trial. This is Matt and I'll go through how to get this free trial with Cloudways in this video. As you can see, I'm on one of the main Cloudways pages. Right here, they have got a free trial on currently. I have an affiliate link in the video description. So first things first, if you click the link just below this video in a video description, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page depending on how Cloudways actually change their pages over time. So all you need to do to actually get this free trial, a couple of different ways. There's a start free button up the top there, and there's currently one right here, this this white button, start free trial. We're going to click on that button and this will bring you to this sign up page right here. So essentially you can sign up. There's a few different ways. I mean, you can do it through Google, if you have a Google account, Gmail account, GitHub, LinkedIn, or DigitalOcean, or you could just enter your details right here. You just need to do the little captcha with Cloudflare as well. And over here, you can see that this is in fact a 3-day free trial. There's no credit card and there's no charges. So sometimes this trial is longer, sometimes it's a little bit shorter. Right now, as of the filming of this video, it is a 3-day free trial. And you can see that you get free Object, Cache, Pro and SSL certificate on all of their plans. You get 24/7 real-time expert support. And I've been with Cloudways for a long time. Actually, I can confirm their support is really good, much better than some of the other hosts that I've had over the years. And I have had many, and actually I have multiple hosts right now as it stands. I won't list them all here, but I've got a lot of different stuff going on online. Cloudways is one of mine that I've been with for a while, and their support's pretty good, about as good as you're going to get for a host, to be fair. So you do have unlimited websites. The only catch even here is that you will have a storage limit. So technically it's unlimited websites, but depending on what amount of storage you have, you will hit an upper limit there. Saying that, I have over 20 websites on Cloudways, and they are quite large sites. So the storage limit is very, very decent. So you're going to enter your details here and you're going to click sign up and you'll get that free trial. Check out Cloudways, see if it is the right solution for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You won't know until you actually check it out for yourself. It's a really good host, highly recommend it. Click that link, get the free trial, see if it's the right platform for you. If it is, you can stick around on one of the paid plans. If not, there's no risk. You can cancel at any time in that free trial period and you don't pay a penny. As it says there, they don't take any credit card or payment up front. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative on how to get this Cloudways free trial. If you have found it useful, drop the video a like. It really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.